Hello friends, now today we are moved to the next point, that is called as the structure of microspore. Microspore, it is also called as a pollen grain. The pollen grain is the non-motile, unicellular, uninucleated haploid structure. Listen again, what is pollen grain? The pollen grain or microspore is non-motile, unicellular, uninucleated and haploid structure. Each pollen grain is surrounded by the two layers together called as a sporoderm. What is it called? Sporoderm. Remember this thing. The outer layer is called as an exine, inner layer is called as entyme. एक्झाईन कशी असते तर एक्झाईन थिक असते and it is made up of complex substance which is called as a sporopollenin. हा स्पोरोपोलिनिन जो शब्द आहे हा स्पोरोपोलिनिन एक पदार्थ आहे जो कसा आहे कॉम्प्लेक्स आणि नॉन बायोडिग्रेडेबल असतो. कॉम्प्लेक्स आणि नॉन बायोडिग्रेडेबल असा हा कॉम्प्लेक्स नॉन बायोडिग्रेडेबल म्हणजेच स्पोरोपोलिनिनची निर्मिती कोण करतं तर हा टॅपेटम करत असतो. आता टॅपेटम कशाचा भाग आहे? टॅपेटम प्रेझेंट इन द इनर वॉल ऑफ टीएस ऑफ एंथर. रिमेंबर दिस मीन्स पोलन ग्रेन non-motile, unicellular, uninucleated haploid structure. First point. Second point, it is surrounded by the two layers called as a sporoderm. Name of the two layers is first is called as exine, second one is called as entyme. How the exine is? Exine is a thick and made up of a special substance which is called as a sporopollenin. How the sporopollenin is? Sporopollenin is a complex, non-biodegradable. This sporopollenin protect the pollen grains from the degradation of pollen grains by the different types of the chemicals. Next important things are there. This exine is surrounded to the all side, but at some places it is thin. That thin area is called as a germ pore. Germ pore is a place from which the entyme is come out in the form of tube-like structure, which is called as a pollen tube. Germ pores plays role to come out the entyme during the process of germination of pollen grain in the form of tube-like structure, which is called as a pollen tube. Remember this. Another important layer that is called as a entyme. How the entyme? Entyme is present inner side to the exine. It is a thin wall and it is made up of cellulose and pectin. It is made up of cellulose and pectin. Remember these points? We are studying the structure of microspore. What is a microspore? Microspore is a non-motile, unicellular, uninucleate haploid structure. First point. Second point, each microspore surrounded by the two layers called as a sporoderm. The two names of that layer is first is called as exine, another is called as a entyme. Exine is thick. Exine is a thick and it is made up of a complex substance which is called as a sporopollenin. Sporopollenin is a non-biodegradable. The exine may be smooth in case of maize and grasses, while exine may be sculptured or rough or spiny in case of the China rose. Remember these things. The exine is surrounded to that pollen grain. At some place it is a thin or it is thin layer. That area is called as a germ pore. germ pore plays important role to enzymes come out through the germ pore during the germination of pollen grain after pollination in the form of tube-like structure, which is called as a pollen tube. And second point, the enzyme. Enzyme is a thin and it is made up of cellulose and pectin. It is present inner to the enzyme. Got the points? This is the brief structure of microspore. Okay, thank you very much.